Did you know that one night every spring the moon becomes a magnet for your dreams? The pink full moon is not just stunning, it's one of the most powerful portals for manifestation. So why do spiritual seekers swear by it, and what makes it different from every other full moon? Welcome, beautiful soul, to the Sacred Signs, a space where ancient wisdom meets the everyday magic of your life. Tonight, we're turning our hearts and eyes to one of the most spiritually charged moments in the lunar calendar, the pink full moon. Despite its name, the pink full moon isn't actually pink in color. The term comes from Native American and Old Farmers' Almanac traditions, named after the vibrant pink wildflower, Phlox subulata, which begins to bloom in early spring across North America. It's a symbol of nature's renewal, reminding us that after long winters, literal or emotional, new life is ready to emerge. The pink full moon usually appears in April, falling after the spring equinox. To witness it, all you need to do is step outside around moonrise, ideally in a space with minimal light pollution. You'll see a bright, golden white moon that feels fuller, softer, and somehow more alive. But this moon is more than just beautiful, it's symbolic. It's known as a spiritual reset point, a moment of release, renewal, and manifestation. Across cultures, it marks a time when our intentions are amplified, our emotional blocks loosen, and the veil between vision and reality becomes thinner. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this moon might just be it. Let's be honest with ourselves. Manifestation sounds magical, but living it out? That's where most of us get tangled. We see people online scripting their dream lives, chanting affirmations, lighting candles, and posting abundance check rituals on TikTok. We try the same, visualize success, whisper our intentions under our breath, maybe even burn sage like we're cleansing centuries of karma, and then nothing happens. Days pass, then weeks, and slowly, that little voice creeps in. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe it just works for other people, not me. Or worse, maybe I'm not even worthy of what I'm asking for. Sound familiar? You're not broken. You're not unlucky. You're just human. And like most of us, you may be facing one or all of these three common manifestation blocks. 1. Emotional clutter. You can't attract blessings while clinging to fear, guilt, or past pain. It's like trying to plant seeds in hardened soil. The energy simply can't flow. 2. Misaligned desires. Sometimes what we think we want isn't really what we need. Maybe it's a goal rooted in ego, external validation, or comparison. The universe listens for authenticity, and it waits for the heart to speak clearly. 3. Wrong timing or ritual. You wouldn't plant flowers in the middle of winter, right? Just like nature, manifestation has seasons. The pink full moon is one of those rare energetic openings when your intentions can take root and grow with grace. You don't need to try harder. You need to align more deeply. And this moon, it's your spiritual reset button. So, how can we truly align ourselves with the radiant energy of the pink full moon? This isn't just about wishing on a moonbeam. It's about co-creating with the universe. Let's walk through a sacred full moon ritual, step by step. A ritual that doesn't just feel beautiful, but actually brings transformation into motion. Step 1. Cleanse your space, cleanse your spirit. Every sacred act begins with space. Clean your room, your altar, your surroundings. Burn sage, Palo Santo, or frankincense, whatever speaks to your spirit. Open the windows and let fresh air in. As you do this, breathe intentionally. With every exhale, imagine dust and energy that no longer serves you, floating away. This isn't about perfection, it's about presence. When your space is calm, your energy begins to mirror it. Step 2. Release what is holding you back. Now, take a moment of honesty. What are you ready to let go of? Fear of failure? A past heartbreak? A belief that says you're not worthy of joy? Write these on a piece of paper, freely, messily, emotionally. Then, under the full moon's gaze, burn it safely, bury it in the earth, or float it away in water. Think of it as emotional compost. You're releasing what's dead to nourish what's blooming. Step 3. Plant seeds of intention. After releasing, you're clear. This is when you set intentions, not random wishes, but soul-aligned visions. Write down up to 3 desires, but make them alive. Not, I want money, but I welcome ease and abundance that supports my freedom. Not, I want love, but I invite a connection that mirrors my truth and joy. Feel them, own them, let your heart speak. Step 4. Visualize your dream as reality. Now close your eyes, picture it. You, living that life. Where are you? What surrounds you? What does it smell like, sound like? How do you feel in your bones? Let your smile rise naturally. That feeling? That's the frequency of alignment, and that's what the universe responds to. Step 5. Charge your intentions with moon water, optional. Place a jar of water under the moonlight. Whisper your intentions into it like sacred secrets. In the morning, drink it or water your plants with it. You're not just nourishing nature, you're symbolically feeding your own dreams. Step 6. Surrender and trust. And finally, let go. Seriously, you've done your part. Don't chase. Don't overthink. Stay in alignment. Walk with faith. Because when you trust the timing of the moon, you align with a rhythm far more ancient and far more powerful than anything you could force. Still wondering if this full moon manifestation practice really works? Let's look at a real-life example that has inspired thousands. Leor Alexandra, a well-known spiritual guide and content creator who built her life around conscious manifestation and healing. Years ago, before she was a full-time YouTuber with hundreds of thousands of followers, she was living in a cramped Los Angeles apartment, financially uncertain, emotionally stuck, and spiritually disconnected. Then came a turning point, a pink full moon night that she now recalls as one of the most pivotal moments in her spiritual journey. That evening, Leor didn't just write down wishes. She went deep. She created a sacred space, lit candles, meditated and released layers of grief and limiting beliefs she'd been carrying for years. She journaled in detail about the life she desired, a peaceful home, financial flow, meaningful creative work, and emotional clarity. She even visualized herself filming videos in her dream space, smiling with confidence, supported by a community. Over the next few months, things began to shift. She attracted aligned opportunities, her channel grew rapidly, and she moved into a home that matched everything she had once written. Was it magic? Maybe. Was it alignment, action, and timing? Absolutely. And here's the deeper truth. That energy, the energy she tapped into, isn't exclusive. It's already within you. The pink full moon simply reminds you to trust it, tune into it, and take sacred action. So, let's bring everything we've uncovered back into one sacred breath. The pink full moon isn't just a pretty moment in the sky. It's a cosmic mirror, reflecting what's ready to be released and what's longing to grow within you. It's your energetic invitation to pause, reset, and step into a new chapter of your journey with clarity and confidence. It reminds us to release the emotional weight we've carried quietly for too long. Plant intentions that come from the heart, not the ego. Visualize our dreams vividly, not as distant fantasies, but as realities already forming. And most importantly, to trust divine timing, even when the path ahead isn't fully clear. Manifestation under this moon isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about realigning your spirit with the natural rhythm of the universe. This is not magic that comes from outside you. It's the sacred kind that already lives inside your breath, your body, and your belief. Because when you treat your dreams with reverence, like they already love you back, you stop chasing, and you start attracting what was meant for you all along. So, what are you manifesting under this pink full moon? Drop your desires in the comments and speak them into existence. And if you want to keep learning about spiritual symbols, rituals, and signs from the universe, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the Sacred Signs and walk this sacred path with us.